Hello, I'm Tracy from EDAFA company. Now, welcome to our DIP department. Now I want to show you our work line. And this worker is to DIP, dip this PCB board. Plug something, just like the USB, HDMI, and then put it into this oven. Make it fixed into the board. Because some board cannot use the past machine, just need the worker to insert it. Then we'll fix something. And then check. If it is okay, we'll be sent into the other department, the assembly department. And that's all for that. Thank you. If you want to know more about our workshop, you can contact me. Follow me, please. That's all. Thank you.